Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com. Today I'd like to introduce you to the ideal 8-piece combination drill and tap kit. These bits drill, tap, and deburr all at the same time with one bit. With these bits, you don't have to hunt around for separate drilling, tapping, and deburring bits, so they can save you a lot of time. The sizes in the kit are common electrical sizes, which include 632, 832, 1024, 1032, 1224, and 1/4 20 bits. Okay, let's say I'd like to attach this 1/4 by 20 screw to this bracket. Okay, so you take the kit, you get the 1/4 by 20, pull it out, and pop it right in your impact driver. Make sure you're going it forward. And I have it in speed number 2. That's the one they recommend. So right here. Put it in reverse. Pull it out. Okay, put your screw in there. And screw it right down. Okay, that's a 1/4 by 20. So let's say I'd like to attach this grounding pigtails. Now grounding pigtails take 1032 screws. This is a 1032 screw right here. So I grab my 1032, pop it in the impact driver. Put it in reverse, pull it out. Okay, so you take your grounding pigtail, tighten it down. Then you can ground this bracket to whatever you want. So I'll put the 1032 back, and I'm going to use a 832 right here. Now 832 is a very common size used in electrical work. You attach like light fixtures and so forth with 832 screws. This is an 832 screw right here. So I'm going to pop it in the impact driver, put it in forward, put it in reverse, come out real nice and straight, and put your 832 right in there, tighten it right down. Okay, you can attach a light fixture or something like that. And now a real popular size in electrical work is right here. It's a 632. Okay, we're going to pop that in the impact driver, and here we go. Okay, come out real nice and straight. There you go. So this is the size you attach receptacles and receptacle covers. There you go. So this is a 1/4 by 20 screw. This is a 1032 screw, which is used for grounding. This is an 832 screw, which is used for light fixtures. This is a 632 screw, which is used for receptacles. And you see how quick it is. It's a nice organized case. And they have 4 extra slots if you'd like to buy some extra ones. It's really set up for electrical. It's just perfect. But there's a lot of other uses. You can, anytime you want to attach a screw, that's a real good tight connection there. A good tight connection. So this is the ideal combination drill tap kit, and it's got what they call a smooth start tip. The 1032 bit is especially useful if your metal electrical box doesn't have a properly threaded 1032 area to screw in a grounded pigtail. It's very easy to tap a threaded hole and attach your grounding pigtail. These bits are made to be used with either impact drivers or regular drills. The suggested RPM is 300 to 1500 RPM, and it's recommended to not slow the bit when approaching the threading step. The bits are made of high-speed steel and have an innovative 3-flute design, which provides for faster chip removal. This is the deburring cutting edge, which also functions to prevent over drilling. The bits are rated for drilling and tapping up to 10 gauge mild steel, aluminum, copper, brass, and even plastic. This kit is about $53 on Amazon, and also Ideal has just come out with a new combination drill tap kit, which is a 4-piece kit. It's got the same bits, the same quality and so forth, but there's only 4 pieces, so the 8-piece set is like 53, 54, so this one will probably be in the $30 to $35 range. It has the 1/4 20, the 10/32, the 8/32, and the 6/32. And I have 2 of these 4-piece kits to give away. You'll need to live in the United States, and you need to put a comment in the comment section. Anything you want, say anything you like, and I'm going to pick 2 winners randomly on Saturday, May the 7th. And then I will tell you in the comment section that you won. And then you got to write back. I'll give you an email address to write back to, and you get, like 48 hours or so to write back. If you don't write back, I got to give it to someone else. I'm sorry. And you'll be a winner. Okay, thanks. I hope this video was helpful. I'll put links for both sets in my video description.